In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for content marketing. Before we jump into the tools and strategies, let's consider the foundation of any content marketing effort: knowing your objectives and understanding your target audience. Your goals could range from increasing website traffic to generating valuable leads. Fortunately, Semrush offers tools like the Market Explorer, which can help you analyze your audience's interests by examining competitor websites and social media platforms. This insight is crucial as it directs your content creation efforts more effectively. To get started with Semrush, open your preferred browser and search for Semrush. Once you've reached the website, go ahead and click Log In if you already have an account, or Sign Up if you're new to the platform. With access secured, let's dive into some of the powerful tools available to you. The Keyword Magic tool is a fantastic first stop. Here, you can enter a seed keyword related to your niche. This tool will present you with a wide range of related keywords, including long-tail variations, plus valuable metrics like search volume and keyword difficulty. It's a treasure trove of information that can help guide your content strategy. Next, we have the Topic Research tool. Based on your chosen keywords, this tool offers insights into possible topic ideas, complete with subtopics, search volume, and keyword difficulty. It's brilliant for building out content plans that resonate with your audience's interests. The Keyword Gap tool is perfect for those looking to gain a competitive edge. It lets you compare your website's keyword rankings with those of your competitors. This comparison helps identify gaps in your content strategy and highlights new opportunities for content development. Moving on, the SEO content template is another helpful resource. This tool aids in creating content briefs by analyzing target keywords, competitors, and related keywords that you should consider including in your content. To refine your content further, the SEO Writing Assistant is invaluable. Simply paste your draft into this tool to receive real-time feedback on readability, keyword inclusion, and overall SEO score. It provides tangible, actionable insights as you craft your content. You can plan and schedule your content using the Semrush Content Calendar feature. It's a practical way to organize your publishing schedule and ensure timely delivery of your content. Once your content is ready, use the SEO Writing Assistant and other tools to optimize your work for search engines and enhance user engagement. Monitoring progress is vital, so the Position Tracking tool comes into play, allowing you to track your website's rankings for target keywords over time. Analyzing your existing content is also crucial. With the Content Audit tool, you can identify areas for improvement, thereby strengthening your content strategy. Semrush's content marketing platform offers a comprehensive dashboard to track your content's performance across various channels, including social media. Finally, it's critical to identify content gaps, prioritize content pieces, and build authority. Always be ready to iterate and improve based on performance data. By leveraging these comprehensive tools, you'll be well equipped to refine your content marketing strategy effectively.